Let's meet Denisse, a medical assistant student from Ogden, whose OTECH certificate is the first step in her healthcare career plans. While Denisse learns how to provide care for her future patients, OTECH is giving her resources and support to ensure her own health and well-being are taken care of as well. Denisse, over to you.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. When we're kids, we know exactly what we want to be. I wanted to be a princess. Others wanted to be lawyers, teachers, even the president of the United States. But somehow when we get to high school, we have no idea what we want to do with our lives. I applied to the Ogden-Weber Technical College not only to get an education, but to ignite my future and purpose in life. Once here, I learned very quickly how mental health affects student success. As an OTECH student, I have access to free therapy from a licensed therapist and support from my program. These services outside of school would cost a fortune. Resources like the Student Success Center and the Zen Den are like the best friends I didn't know I needed. I go to the Zen Den. It's an area where students can relax and de-stress quite often. It's a great way to take care of my health while studying about health. From meditating to coloring to getting a cup of tea, it's the little things that make a big impact, like passing my tests. I chose medical assisting because of my desire to help others and passion for change. Working one-on-one with instructors, having hands-on experience, and volunteering in the community have given me the confidence and skills to build a career, not just a job. The medical assistant program has paved the foundation for me to one day become a neurosurgeon. OTECH has supported me every step of the way. They have helped me with university admissions and revamping my resume for medical externships. There's still a lot of work to be done, but I know with OTECH I made the right choice. Back to you, Alex.
Denisse, it is great to see that OTECH is looking out for your mental health while also supporting you academically. We could all use some time in the Zen Den. Best of luck in your future endeavors, and thank you for giving us a glimpse of your OTECH experience. That was great.